Hi beautiful people, welcome back to another vlog. So guys, it's weekend and right now anytime you see me tie this kind of hair tie, you know that means I'll be running markets errands. So yeah, right now I'm getting ready to go to the market because it's weekend and the kids are at home. In fact, school have closed, they are on holiday, Easter holiday. So I'll be rushing down to the market to get some things for the week. Okay, so guys, stay tuned and enjoy the video. Thank you guys.
Yesterday has passed away. Tomorrow, you really don't know. No one knows tomorrow. Imalotata, imechi. Ifugotata, imakechi ade. Yesterday has passed away. Tomorrow, you really don't know. No one knows tomorrow. Imalotata, imechi. Ifugotata, imakechi ade. Yesterday has passed away. Tomorrow, you really don't know. No one knows tomorrow. Yesterday was the seed of today, and today is the seed of tomorrow. Chidime onye mechi ya Imalotata imechi Ifugotata imakechi ade. Yesterday has passed away. Tomorrow you really don't know. No one knows tomorrow. Onye mechi ya Imalotata imechi onye mechi ya Ifugotata imakechi ade. Yesterday has passed away. Tomorrow you really don't know. No one knows tomorrow.
The next day.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is the next day. So yesterday I couldn't continue with the vlog in the market because I was in a hurry and the weather was so hot. So and I made my hair yesterday in the market, just a cornrow. So yeah, and I came back very late. I couldn't continue with the vlog, and this is the next day. So right now, today is Saturday, by the way. Today is Saturday, and I finished, making breakfast for the kids and for the family. So right now, I'm about to enter the kitchen to prepare soup. The things I bought yesterday, I couldn't take you guys along, So right now I'm in the kitchen trying to prepare vegetable soup. So yeah, so guys, how are you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing well. And tomorrow is Mother's Day. Today is Mothering Sunday for the Catholic. So tomorrow is Mothering Sunday for the Catholic. It's our day. If you're a mother in the house, happy Mother's Day to you. We are the strongest human being in this earth. We are the strongest. So I give it to all women, all mothers. If you're a mother, kudos to you. You are doing so well. It's not easy. It's not easy at all. And tomorrow is Sunday. I think tomorrow is Ramadan. Yeah, tomorrow is also Ramadan. So yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying your weekend and whatnot. So guys, stay tuned as I take you guys along. So let me show you guys what I'm doing in the kitchen. I've prepared everything for the soup. So yeah, I've prepared everything. The meat is on the fire already, so I'm going to show you guys. So stay tuned and enjoy the rest of this vlog. Don't click out, don't click out. And please, if you have not subscribed, please do well to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Okay, thank you guys and enjoy the vlog.
The silver and gold of this world, and all the power and comfort money can buy, they will one day pass away. They can never satisfy. Onyinye kwensu, where is he, where is he, oh where is he? What does it profit a man to gain the world and lose his soul? Gold and silver, they don't last forever. What does it profit a man to gain the world and lose his soul? Gold and silver, they don't last forever. What does it profit a man to gain the world and lose his soul? Gold and silver, they don't last forever. What does it profit a man to gain the world and lose his soul? Gold and silver, they don't last forever. What does it profit a man to gain the world and lose his soul? Gold and silver, they don't last forever. The silver and gold of this world, and all the power and comfort money can buy, they will one day pass away. They can never satisfy. Onyinye kwensu, where is he, where is he, oh where is he? What does it profit a man to gain the world and lose his soul? Gold and silver, they don't last forever. What does it profit a man to gain the world?
Much later.